Well, viewers, it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first bilateral with the 47th President of the United States, Donald Trump, in the third term. This was a meeting of the two world leaders who are expected to play a very critical role in the new world order. It was a display of bonhomie and camaraderie between the two world leaders as the Prime Minister arrived at the White House earlier today. As the Prime Minister arrived, he was gifted a coffee table book by the US President Donald Trump titled Our Journey Together. It had an inscription that said, "Mr. Prime Minister, you are great." This was signed by the US President Donald Trump. The book also had pictures of both the leaders together, including the events Howdy Modi and Namaste Trump. This meeting between Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi focused on several critical issues that concern both the nations, as well as the regional stability and the security of the Indo-Pacific. As the duo addressed the media after the meeting, they made it clear that both nations aspire to hit the $500 billion mark in trade by the year 2030. India and the United States are looking to secure a deal on F-35 stealth jets soon, which could be a big fillip to India's defense sector. The US President also confirmed that efforts are on to extradite the 2611 plotter Tawahu Rana, and both the nations will cooperate in their bid to combat terrorism.
जब अमेरिका और भारत साथ मिलकर काम करते हैं, यानी मागा प्लस मीगा, तब बन जाता है मेगा पार्टनरशिप फॉर प्रॉस्पेरिटी। इसरो और नासा के आपसी सहयोग से बनाई निसार सैटेलाइट शीघ्र ही भारतीय लॉन्च व्हीकल पर अंतरिक्ष की उड़ान भरेगी। आज हमने द्विपक्षीय व्यापार को 2030 तक 2 गुना से भी अधिक बढ़ाकर $500 बिलियन तक पहुंचाने का लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया है। अमेरिका और भारत मिलकर के हमारी कोशिश है और हमारी कोशिश रहनी चाहिए कि इस प्रकार की पूरी इकोसिस्टम को हमें जड़ मूल से नष्ट करना चाहिए ताकि ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग बंद हो।
Anywhere in the world, they've been very strong on tariffs, and I don't blame them necessarily, but it's a different way of doing business. It's very hard to sell into India because they have trade barriers, very strong tariffs. We are right now a reciprocal nation. We are going to, if it's India or if it's somebody else with low tariffs, we're going to have the same. We're going to have whatever India charges, we're charging them. Whatever another country charges, we're charging them. So it's called reciprocal, which I think is a very fair. Starting this year, we'll be increasing military sales to India by many billions of dollars. We're also paving the way to ultimately provide India with the F-35 stealth fighters. As you said, we're giving a very violent man, it seems to me. I mean, I don't know that he's been convicted yet or will be, but let's assume he's a pretty violent person. We're giving him back to India immediately, and there are more to follow because we have quite a few requests. So we work with India on crime.
Mr. President, you spoke about Prime Minister Modi as a tough negotiator. Who was a tougher negotiator today and who has a better negotiating tactic when it comes to tariffs?
Oh, he's a much tougher negotiator than me, and he's a much better negotiator than me. There's not even a contest. Okay?